Hiya crafty folks, Amy here with amyswares, and today I have a little mini unboxing for scrapbook.com. Recently my friend Deb sent me a gift card for Scrapbook for my birthday, and this is what I got. So thank you so much, Deb. I'm very excited about this. So I'm just going to pull this off screen and open it up and show you what I got. First of all, I got more of this 1-inch foam adhesive. This is the scrapbook.com brand. This is the 1-inch wide, and it's the 1 millimeter thick. So I don't know if you can see that. It is quite thin. I've really found myself using this a lot lately. I've actually had a couple cards sent back, which doesn't usually happen. But I don't know if it's just I'm unlucky lately, or if the post office is kind of cracking down, but I've had some cards come back, so I'm kind of more inclined to use this thinner stuff, and they have them in various different widths. I like the 1-inch. I think it's really good, and this is 1 millimeter. So this is a Scrapbook exclusive, 1 millimeter thick, 1-inch wide, double-sided foam tape. Okay, I'm going to show you the freebie because Scrapbook often has them. This is so cute. So this is a scrapbook.com exclusive, and look, it's a bear shaker. So you can do this stitched edge for one layer of it. This for the other layer. I gotta imagine how it would work actually. I think, would this be the background layer, and then you do the, I can't picture it. I have to play with it. But basically you can turn this into a shaker. It's got the little bits for the face. So here's like the snout. This is the little cute ruffly collar. This is for eyes and nose, I would imagine, on this. And this is for inside the little ears. So all the little dies, super cute. Let me look at the size of this bear. Okay, looks like he is about 2 1/4 inches this way. So to give you some perspective, so super cute. Obviously you don't have to turn it into a shaker. You could just, make it with just layered pieces of paper as well. Super cute for a little design feature for your card. Okay, just got a couple other things here. This is really cool. Spellbinders. I know you're shocked it's not all to new, but Spellbinders has been having some pretty cool, unique designs. And look at this. Like, I have so many ideas on how to use this, and then just to emboss the thanks into it. Talk about an easy thank you card. So this is so cool. This is 4.5 by 6 1/4. So this would be great for A2 size, just to have this thanks embossed right down the center. So gorgeous. Absolutely excited about this, and it is 3D. It doesn't look like it's super fat, which I like. It looks like it's kind of similar in width to like the Altenew ones, so it should be pretty easy to figure out what sandwich is needed for that. So very excited. There were some other word ones as well, but I liked the uniformity of the thanks because it was like 2 letters all the way down. I felt like it was more symmetrical, which appealed to me more. So very excited to try that out. And then finally, I got another 3D embossing folder. Now this is one of their, these are more like their huge size. So 5.5 by 8.5 inches. So this is literally half a sheet of cardstock if you're in the US. So this is like 2 panels worth, but look at that cool design. It's like a rope or something. It's called All Wrapped Up. I do not have any even remotely similar to this. I thought it was so cool. So I had to get it, obviously, because y'all know I'm obsessed with embossing folders. But that is my mini haul here. So I got my foam tape, got this freebie shaker die, and these 2 amazing new 3D embossing folders. So be sure to watch for future projects with these goodies. If you don't want to miss any of my videos, double check. Even if you've clicked it in the past, for some reason, YouTube can turn it off. Be sure to look and see if you're subscribed and that you've hit the notification bell and that it hasn't been turned off. So if you want to be notified whenever I post something in like the community tab, like comments out to you guys or little notes, or anytime I release a new video, that's what you want to do, is hit the subscribe and the notification bell. And then if you enjoyed this, please hit the thumbs up. I will link all the products in the video description box below. If you expand and scroll down, I'll link everything there from Scrapbook. And other than that, thank you so much for spending time with me. And thank you, sweet Deb, for the birthday card, which was gorgeous, and the scrapbook gift card. So I really appreciate it, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.